everybody, it's Taz. I just want to share a quick new product with you. Andrea at Wig Studio One is introducing a texturizing spray called Pieced to Perfection. And if you've used a sea salt spray, this is basically what this is. It's designed to give you volume and texture, maybe a little bit of hold. I'm going to share my experience. Find us right here at Wig Studio One. If you go below the video, I'll put a direct product link there to this product and the featured wig style today in case you want to explore more detail. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. I am wearing John Renault's Luna in 22F16, but I really wanted to piece out that fringe a little bit just to give me a little bit of spiky, sassy appeal. This is a completely natural product, a lot of different natural ingredients. They're all listed here. Now this one does have a little bit of a scent. It comes out absolutely clear. And the scent is just maybe a little powdery. And it tends to dry pretty quickly and maybe just a little bit of a tacky finish. And I think that's what's going to be able to hold those pieces of fiber into place to provide that pieciness that you're looking for without a heavy, weighed down feeling. Again, just slightly tacky, and the smell dissipates very quickly. So I used it on this Luna. So let me explain what I did. I'm going to take another Luna that I have here that I have not used any product on, and I'm going to show you how I used it. So all I did was I hold it about 12 to 18 inches away, and I spray directly at the root, okay? This is to give me overall fluff, volume, and pieciness, okay? So that's what I did there. And then I allowed it to dry just for a few minutes, and then when I applied it, I got this piecey looking volume, and boy did it give me some volume, didn't it? A little bit of hold, but not like a crispy texture like hairspray. It's just a little bit of tacky hold. And this one I have worn a few times since I made that application, and it seems to stay there. So if you want it to be completely out and kind of start over, you will have to wash your wig style. But this is a great weightless product, I think. But let's try it on a wig style. Looking back here on my wig rack, I have a Lemonade by BELLE TRESS. And this is a short little blunt cut bob with some wave, but I often wished it had more wave, just a little more texture to it. So I think what I'll do, I'm going to try it on here for you just so you can see what it looks like before I apply the texturizing spray, the Pieced to Perfection. Okay, so you can see the very loose, almost lamp waves in this Lemonade. It's probably about 8 to 9 inches there in the front. It has some shattered, textured ends to it, but I just want to give it a little more oomph, a little more volume and piecey look around the face. Let's see if I can achieve that here with the Pieced to Perfection. So here's the spray. I'm not going to use a whole lot, but I'm going to kind of get up underneath so I can hit those roots really well. I just want to give it a quick shake and a scrunch. Okay, it still feels just a little damp, but let's see if it's had an effect with just a little bit of product. Okay, yeah, you can see, can't you? It just pieces it out like an air dried look. The sea salt spray, and it's giving me a little bit of lift. Wow, it really does work. Now it's not going to add curl or wave to a completely straight style, but it is going to piece it out a little bit and let it have some air dried texture, which is going to give the appearance of maybe a little bit of textured wave. But it really did a nice job on this one, especially holding those roots up for a little bit more volume. And this is BELLE TRESS Lemonade in British milk tea, if I forgot to mention that. Okay, the product is more or less dry. I don't expect it to fall out. You know, it doesn't flake out, it doesn't shake out. It just gives you that volume where you want it. Now the way this is styled isn't going to be for everyone, but if you do like texture, if you like wig wax, if you like other sea salt sprays, I think you're going to love this product. Now I do also want to mention there's going to be another way that you can use this as well. Now you saw that I kind of pointed this and directioned this towards the root of the wig, shook it, scrunched it. That gives that volume and texture that you like. But if you just want a little bit of pieciness without the volume at the root, that's going to make it, you know, a bigger appearance, I think you could just put some in the well of your palm here. Dab your finger in and then just take certain pieces. And piece it out that way. Just take certain pieces of the fiber, direction them where you want them to go. For a more piecey look. And that will work just fine as well. See you soon.